Finally, the late bird 78-77. We are full. Dice roll. 6 times on the dice. Teams first are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Packers, Angels, Sixers up top. Jags, Nationals, and Mavs at the bottom. Switch my font up here. And we are going to go 6 times on your names. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Chris up top. Chad Tucker at the bottom. The late bird, let's sort them out. Good luck, everybody. 78-77. Here's your teams. Let's rip. Good luck.
We're going to rip some of it. It's going to be like 15 spotter. I like 22. You can take 2 for 40. Going to right to luminaries. Not even messing around. I'm calling Paul Skeens. I'm just going to shoot my shot and call Skeens. I was wrong. Corbin Carroll, 1 of Tree. Going to the Arizona Diamondbacks. Since will have to help me out. That is so damn small.
Diamondbacks. Let's see. Matt Loudman.
Matt Loudman. I haven't even opened Spectre yet.
Well, those good as always. Every now and then you'll hit a die cut that's stupid. You got to be careful.
Roman Wilson. 7 out of 15. Bo Nix. Monumental.
That's chunky.
1, 2, Tree colors.
Going to Richard. It's probably a $100 bill.
At least. To 15. Jalen Wright. 13 out of 75. My brother's in the building. 11 out of 75 for the Cleveland Browns. DTR. Looks like it says DFR. But we'll go DT.
What's up, Mikey? Brian Markowitz. On the door. You probably haven't ripped any Prism NBA yet, have you?
That's the reason why you don't know how to throw a football. You don't even know how to write his name.
He used to sign different, then he just changed it straight to DTR.
Aiden Hutchinson, base. Detroit. Heater. Building blocks to 99, Caleb Williams. It's a Bears box.
And there's 3 left. Spectra Hobby, 78-74. Grab them on the site.
7 out of 8, Dan Hampton.
That's sweet. Bears box.
And Bucky Irving, probably low numbered. 14 out of 15 for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Bucks going to Casey Gibson. Got a book. James Cook. 1 out of 99. Max Impact. Spectacular Moments. Kellen Winslow.
That's cool.
5 out of 10. Jesse Bates, Falcons. 14 out of 99. Ryan Fay in the book. 1 out of 40. Xavier Leggett.
Tyler Harper.
We'll get that in something. Guessing we got another book, and we do. Dak Prescott. 8 out of 11 FOTL exclusive for the boys. Brad Goldsberry. Josh Hines Allen on the base. Jamar Chase, Cincinnati. The Bengals and Brandon Jordan to 75. Second book, rookie Genesis, Johnny Wilson for the Eagles. And Brian Markowitz. 3 out of 5. Double books. Into the prism. Johnny Wilson.
Yeah.
Brandon Ingram on the silver. Trick me backwards.
Got you good, man.
Nikola Topic. To 199 OKC Thunder. Zachariah Sarcher. Anthony Edwards. Peyton Watson. Nicola on the auto. On the Atlanta Hawks. Chef Curry. Need Matas. Matas. I like Matas. Donovan Mitchell.
Pasquale, having us some Chrome Disney. Chrome Disney on the move, guys. Grab them on the site. before it's gone.
249 Kawhi Leonard. Disney sells out quick. That stuff is sold out pretty much everywhere, so it's officially sold out almost everywhere. Again, we're going to drop a chatter, guys, for McDonald's Hobby. Dame Lillard on the silver. Cam Johnson on the red wave. Chet. Reed Shepard. Again, guys, we're going to drop just a small chatter before we drop the big chatter. Going to drop that McDonald's box for 22 per. 15 spotter. T-Mac, Tracy McGrady. Purple, Naz Reid, Timberwolves. $10.99. The Joker. Flapowski and Jamal Sheed. Well, Spence is putting it on the site. Josh Giddey, Paolo. Tari Eason on a hyper. Alex Sarr on the fireworks. See anything big out of this yet?
That might be the first box of Prism Hobby we've done.
KD on the red wave, not numbered.
I got ripped. Couple FOTLs.
Jordan Poole, blue cracked ice to 125. What was this, 2 autos?
Yeah.
Desmond Bain. Aja Mitchell. Aja Mitchell going to OKC. The Thunder. 4 packs left. Again, guys, this McDonald's probably going to snap fill Terrence Mann, so be ready. Precious Achiuwa at $2.99. Backwards card messes me up. Gary Trent, always the refractor. Zion Williamson and Kaleidoscope of Rob Dillingham. Or kaleidoscopic. Two packs left. Purple Cracked Ice, Refractor, Cason Wallace. Purple Cracked Ice, 149, DeAndre Hunter. Luck of the Lottery, Zachariah Sarcher. The last pack. Cam Spencer, hyper. G.G. Jackson, hyper. LeBron James on the fractal silver. Alexander Sarr. And we'll recap. Again, guys, going to drop a Topps Chrome Prism McDonald's just to show you guys what it's about. And then we're going to end up putting it on the site. Should be quick fills. Just 15 spotters, going to be 22 per. Prescott was the 18. Nice Bucky. Dan Hampton, best franchise ever. DTR, worst franchise ever. And we had 2 books. Johnny Wilson and Xavier Legette. Johnny Wilson was the 5, Legette to 40. And to 3, Corbin Carroll.
Very cool card.
Junkie. That's the break, guys.